Learn English idioms and phrases. A drop in the bucket, small amount. A fool and his money are easily parted. Fools spend money easily. Against the grain. When you do or say something that is opposite to what other people do or say, or opposite to what you usually do or say. A house divided against itself cannot stand. It means that if there is a conflict and confrontations between members of a group, it will soon fall apart. A leopard can't change his spots. It is very difficult for a person to change his or her manners, character, way of thinking. A leopard can't change his spots. All along, all the time, all along. All of a sudden, suddenly, all of a sudden. A hot potato. Any difficult situation, occasion, or issue. A hot potato. A penny for your thoughts. You say this phrase when you would like to hear someone's opinion. A penny for your thoughts. A penny saved is a penny heard. It means that it is more important and wiser to save money rather than to spend it. A penny saved is a penny heard. A picture prints 1,000 words. A picture or a photo can tell more about a person than words. A picture pens 1,000 words. A piece of cake. Used to describe something easy. A piece of cake. A slap on the wrist. A light punishment. A slap on the wrist. A toss-up. Sometimes there is a situation when two or more things happen to be equal. A toss-up. Above board. Truthful, straight, candid. Above board. Actions speak louder than words. Actions are more significant than words. Actions speak louder than words. Add insult to injury. When the situation becomes worse, add insult to injury. Add fuel to the fire. When situations becomes worse, also to make someone already angry get angrier. Add fuel to the fire. Against the clock. In a hurry. When you work against time. Against the clock. All bark and no bite. When someone talks more than actually does. All bark and no bite. All in the same boat. When several people have the same problem. All in the same boat. An arm and a leg. A lot of money. An arm and a leg. Apple of my eye. A person with a treasure for somebody. Apple of my eye. As high as a kite. To feel excited about something, also to feel excited because of being drunk. As high as a kite. To feel excited about something, also to feel excited because of being drunk. At the drop of a hat. Immediately. At the drop of a hat. Back to the drawing board. Start something from the very beginning. Back to the drawing board. Barking up the wrong tree. To be totally wrong. Barking up the wrong tree. Be glad to see the back off. When someone is pleased to see someone's failure. Be glad to see the back of. Beat around the bush. To waste time, also to avoid answering the question. Beat around the bush. Best of both worlds. When somebody has an opportunity to get the best out of two different situations. Best of both worlds. Best thing since sliced bread. A good invention. Best thing since sliced bread. Bite off more than you can chew. When you agree to do more work than you can finally complete. Bite off more than you can chew. Burn the midnight oil. When somebody works or studies late at night. Burn the midnight oil. Can't cut the mustard. When someone is not skilled enough to handle complete something. Can't cut the mustard. Can't judge a book by its cover. You cannot judge people according to their appearance. Can't judge a book by its cover. Charlie horse. Cramp in a leg or an arm. Charlie horse. Come hell or high water. If we are strongly determined to do something, we do it despite the difficulties and obstacles. Come hell or high water. Cross your fingers. We cross our fingers when we hope that something will happen the way we want it. Cross your fingers. Cry over spilt milk. When you feel upset about the situation which occurred in the past and cannot be changed. Cry over spilt milk. Cry wolf. When you ask people for support or help, but actually they are unnecessary for you. Cry wolf. Cup of joe. A cup of coffee. Cup of joe. Curiosity kills a cat. Being too curious can be dangerous. Curiosity kills a cat. Cut to the chase. To skip unnecessary details and get to the point. Cut to the chase. Cock and bull story. An unbelievable story, a lie. An unbelievable story, a lie. Cock and bull story. Dark horse. A person whose abilities are unknown to the others, but who can be a powerful rival. Dark horse. Dead ringer. An exact duplicate. Dead ringer. Devil's advocate. A person who pretends to have an opposite opinion in order to involve people to the detailed discussion and thorough examination of any issue. Devil's advocate. Dog days of summer. The hottest day of the late summer. Dog days of summer. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. It is not a good idea to count on something until you have it. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. When someone gives you a gift or something for free, do not be ungrateful. Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Do not concentrate all your efforts and resources on one thing in order not to lose everything at once. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Doozy. Something extraordinary, unusual, can be used both in positive and negative meanings. Doozy. Down to the wire. To the very end, to the last minute. Down to the wire. Drastic times call for drastic measures. Extreme circumstances and situations require extreme solutions. Drastic times call for drastic measures. Drastic times call for drastic measures. Drink like a fish. When someone drinks a lot of alcohol, drink like a fish. Drive someone up the wall. To make someone angry or bored, drive someone up the wall. Drop like flies. When people or animals die or fall in large numbers, drop like flies. Drop like flies.